So, what is Mandarin? Mandarin is the official language of China. There are two ways to record Mandarin: characters and Pinyin. For example, hello written using characters is, and the pronunciation written in Pinyin is 你好. These characters are used to write Chinese. If you read Chinese books, newspapers, magazines, or browse Chinese websites, you must know how to read characters so that you can understand what they say. Pinyin is the phonetic system used to record the pronunciation of Chinese Mandarin. Most letters in Pinyin are the same as English letters, apart from the letter U, which does not exist in English. In Pinyin, some letters are pronounced differently compared to how they are pronounced in English, so you must be careful. For example, Q in Pinyin is pronounced as qi, as in cheese. This is very different compared to its English pronunciation. Now, look at 你好 again. Can you find any differences between English and Pinyin? Did you notice that there are some marks on the top of the letters? These are called tone marks. Mandarin is a tonal language. It has 4 tones, and sometimes there is no tone. It is just like singing. The first tone is ah. To say this tone, you must keep your voice high and flat. Ah. The second tone is ah. This tone requires your voice to go up, like if you were going up a ladder. Ah. The third tone is ah. To say this tone, your voice must go down, then up, like a train going over a valley. Ah. The fourth tone is so easy. It is ah. Just let your voice go all the way down, like you just bumped your head. Ouch! Ah. Let's put them together. Ah, 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 ah. Can you hear the difference between them? Learning to pronounce these different tones is very important, because words with the same letters but different tones will have totally different meanings. For example, Ma means mother. Ma means hemp. Ma means horse. Ma means to swear. Do you think your mom would be happy if you called her Ma? When we learn Pinyin for the first time, we always start by saying the initial part. Then we say the final part. And finally, we say them together with the tone. Here are some examples. N, I, Then say it with a tone together. Here is the third tone. Down, then up. 你喝熬 Then say it with the tone together. Here is the third tone again. 好你好 means hello. 吸耶 Then say it with the tone together. Here is the fourth tone. It goes all the way down. 谢谢 means thank you. Let's try this one together. 自爱在鸡烟见再见 means goodbye. I suggest that you follow this pronunciation procedure when you first start to learn Pinyin. When you get familiar with how to pronounce the letters, you can just say 你好. Did you notice that Mandarin only has one syllable for each character? Like 你. It is not like English, where words such as restaurant have loads of syllables, even though it is just one word. You can watch the YouTube videos Let's Rap Chinese Mandarin Tones and Let's Rap Chinese Pinyin Alphabet to practice how to pronounce Pinyin. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss our new videos. See you next time. 谢谢，再见。